products. We are experts in sheet metal fabrication and have been providing solutions almost every industrial application imaginable over 10 years, specializing in designing and manufacturing sheet metal fabrication parts. Metalli's commitment to quality is an um, integral part of the company's management policy. Our process operation products, including service and uh, always aligned with quality management system and standards. In 2004, we were approved by ISO 9001 and ISO 45001. Our three core values are customer focus, professionalism, and perform. Our mission is focus efforts on developing the right metal product solutions. Product range. Our company offers an extensive range of sheet metal fabrication. Our, ca- ca- um, our capabilities include CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, stamping, dip drawing, metal spinning, um, aluminum die casting, aluminum extrusion, welding, assembly, and packaging. Our company mainly provides customized solutions for customers with specific requirements. About our quality control, our company places a high emphasis on quality control. The company has established a comprehensive quality management system that covers all aspects of production process, from raw material sourcing to final inspection. The company uses advanced testing equipment and techniques to ensure that every product meets the highest standards of quality. Technical support. Our technical support department is responsible for providing technical support and assistance to our clients, including designing and drawing, problem solving, and resolution of technical issues. Our team is committed to delivering prompt, reliable, and effective technical support services to ensure our clients' satisfaction. About our customer service, our customer service. The company has a team of experienced and knowledgeable sales representatives who are available to answer any questions and provide technical support to customers. So, our company is a reliable and trustworthy supplier of sheet metal fabrication with uh, with a focus on quality, technique, and customer service. Whether you are a small workshop or a large manufacturing facility, our company has the expertise and the resources to meet your needs. It begins with us. We can always do better. Today we will talk about the metal bending process. Here are some samples. You can take it for reference first. Bending is a common manufacturing process used to form sheet metal products. It involves the deformation of a sheet metal workpiece by applying a bending force to it, um, resulting a change in its shape. The process is widely used in the production of a range of products, including automotive parts, aircraft, aircraft components, and household applications. In this article, we will provide an in-depth overview of the bending process, including the equipment, materials, and techniques involved. The first one, equipment. The equipment used in this bending process varies depending on com- the complexity of the part being produced. The most basic equipment consists of a press brake, which is a machine that uses a a high hydraulic or mechanical ram to apply a bending force to the workpiece. More advanced equipment includes CNC press braking, which are computer-controlled machines that allows for greater precision and repeatability. Then about materials. The materials used in the bending process are typically sheet metals such as aluminum and steel or stainless steel. The thickness of the sheet metal can vary, but typically ranges from 0.5 millimeter to 10 millimeter. The choice of material depends on the specific requirements of the product being produced, including its strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. Then about techniques. There are several techniques used in the bending process, each of the each of which is suited to different types of the products and materials. The most common techniques including air bending, bottom bending, and coning. First, about the air bending. Air bending is the most common bending technique used in the industry. It involves applying a bending force to the workpiece, cause it to, causing it to be bent around a die. The amount of bending is controlled by adjusting the depth of the ram stroke. The resulting bend has a ratio that is proportional to the thickness of the material being bent. The second one, bottom bending. Bottom bending is a technique that is used to produce more complex shapes uh, such as U-bends and U-bends and Z-bends. It involves bending the workpiece around a die, with the bending ratio being determined by the gap between the die and the bottom tool. The process is typically slower than air bending, but allows for greater control over the final shape. There's a high force to the work, causing it to be bent around a die. The resulting bend has a sharp corner, which is ideal for products that require a tight fit or precision alignment. So the bending process is a fundamental manufacturing technique used to produce a range of sheet metal products. The equipment, materials, and techniques used in the process vary depending on the specific requirements of the product being produced. By understanding the different techniques and their applications, manufacturers can produce high quality products that meet the needs of our customers. Then, let's have a brief introduction of industrial bending machine. Industrial bending machines are used in various industries for bending and shaping metal um, and plates. These machines are designed to provide precision and accuracy being in bending operations, making them an essential tool for manufacturing and fabrication processes. We'll discuss the different types of the industrial bending machines and their features and their applications. About the types of industrial bending machines, the first one is press brake. The press brake is the most common type of industrial bending machine. It is used to be bend and shape metal sheets and plates by applying force to the material using a hydraulic or mechanical press. The press brake can be operated manually or through computer or through CNC technology. This is commonly used in the automotive, aerospace, and construction industries. The second one, roll bending machine. The roll bending machine is usually used to be bend and shape um, uh, usually be used to bend and shape cylindrical um, metal objects such as pipes and tubes. It, it consists of three rollers that apply force to the material to bend it into the desired shape. The roll bending machine is commonly used in the manufacturing of pipelines and structural components. The third one, tube bending machine. About the tube bending machine, it is used to be bend and shape metal tubes and pipes. It consists of a mandrel that supports the tube during bending and a bending arm that applies force to a material. The tube bending machine is commonly used in the automotive, aerospace, and construction industrials. The first one is the section bending machine. The section bending machine is used to bend and shape metal sections such as angles, channels, and beams. It consists of three rollers that apply force into the desired shape. A section about the features of industrial bending machine. First one is precision and accuracy. Industrial bending machines are designed to provide precision, advanced technology, and high-quality components to ensure that the bend to the desired angle and shape. Then about the versatility. Industrial bending machines are versatile and can be used to bend and shape a wide range of materials, including steel, aluminum, and copper. They can also be used to bend and shape different types of objects, such as sheet metal, tubes, and sections. The third one is efficiency. Industrial bending machines are designed to efficient and can perform bending operations quickly and accuracy. They can also be operated manually or through CNC technology, which increases their uh, e- um, productivity and efficiency. The last one is about the safety. Industrial bending machines are designed with safety features to protect the operator and prevent accidents. They are equipped with safety guards, emergency stop buttons, and other safety features to ensure that the operator is safe and while using this machine. Then about the applications of industrial bending machine. The first applications serial is um, automo- automotive industrial. Uh, Industrial bending machines are commonly used in the automotive industry to manufacture various components such as um, chassis, frames, and exhaust systems. They are used to bend and shape metal sheets, tubes, and sections to the desired shape and angle. Then, about the aerospace industry. Industrial bending machines are also used in the aerospace industry to manufacture various components such as aircraft frames, wings, and landing gear. They are used to be bent and shape metal sheets, tubes, and sections to the desired shape and angle. The third, the third one is construction industrial. Industrial bending machines are commonly used in the construction industry to manufacture various components such as steel beams, um, columns, and um, truss, trusses. They are used to bend and shape metal sections to the desired shape and angle. Next one is manufacturing industry. Industrial bending machines can also be used in the manufacturing industry to manufacture various components such as machine frames, enclosures, and brackets. They are used to bend and shape metal sheets, tubes, and sections to the desired shape and angle. So, in conclusion, industrial bending machines are essential tools in various industries for bending and shaping sheet metal, tube, and sections. They are designed to provide precision, accuracy, um, versatility, efficiency, and safety in bending operations. The different types of industrial bending machines include press brake, roll bending machines, tube bending machines, and section bending machines. They are commonly used in the automotive, aircraft, construction, and manufacturing industry. Um, Besides, we will introduce the metal bending process raw materials. Metal bending is a process that involves the formation of metal sheets or plates to achieve a desired shape or form. The process is commonly used in the manufacturing of various products such as automotive parts, construction materials, and household applications. The success of the metal bending process largely depends on the type of the materials we used. This, um, then we will provide an overview of the various raw materials used in metal bending process. The first one is steel. We can take this for example. Steel is the most common used material in metal bending process. It is a versatile material that can be easily shaped and formed into various shapes and sizes. Steel can also known for its strength and durability, making it a popular choice for products that require high strength and resistance to wear and tear. The most common, the most commonly types of steel in metal bending, including carbon steel and stainless steel and alloy steel. Uh, the, sec- the second one is aluminum. Aluminum is another popular material used in metal bending process. It is a lightweight material that is easy to work with and has a high strength to weight ratio. Aluminum is also resistant to corrosion, making it a popular choice for outdoor applications. The most commonly used types of the uh, aluminum in metal bending include uh, 6061 and 5052 aluminum. Then the third one is copper. Copper is a soft, um, malleable metal that is commonly used in electronic ap- applications. It is also used in metal bending process due to its high electronic conductivity and resistance to corrosion. Copper is often used in the manufacturing of pipes, wires, and other electronic components. The first one is brass. Brass is a popular material used in metal bending process due to its um, unique properties. It is a um, combination of copper and zinc, which gives it a unique golden color. Brass is also known for its high corrosion resistance, making it a popular choice for outdoor applications. The most commonly used types of brass in metal bending include 260 brass and 360 brass. The fifth one, titanium. Titanium is a strong and lightweight metal that is commonly used in aerospace and medical application. It is also used in metal bending process due to its high strength to weight ratio and resistant to corrosion. Titanium is often used in the manufacturing of aircraft parts, medical implants, and other high-performance products. The sixth one is nickel. Nickel is a hard, corrosion-resistant metal that is commonly used in metal bending processes. It is often used in the manufacturing of products that require high strength and resistance to wear and tear. The most commonly used types of nickel in metal bending include nickel copper alloys and nickel chromium alloys. So in conclusion, the success of metal bending process largely depends on the type of raw materials used. Steel, aluminum, copper, brass, titanium, and nickel are some of the most commonly used materials in metal bending processes. Each of these materials has unique properties that make them suitable for different applications. We must carefully select the, uh, the appropriate materials for the products to ensure that they will meet the required specifications and standards. Then I'm going to show you some samples that are made by the bending process. Then let's have a look. The first one is the metal brackets. The process involves the use of a die and a punch set, which are um, used to apply force to the metal bracket of the to bend it into the desired shape. The first step in the metal bracket bending process is to create a design for the bracket. Um, this design will typically include the dimensions of the bracket, the angles of the bracket, um, the angles at which it will be bent, and any other specifications that are necessary. Once the design is complete, it is transformed to a CAD program, which is used to create a 3D model of the bracket. The 3D model is then used to create a program for the press brake. This program includes information about the size, the shapes, the size and the shapes of the die and the punch set, as as we as well as the force and that will be applied to the metal bracket during the bending process. Once the program is complete, the metal bracket is loaded into the press brake. The die uh, the die and punch set are um, positioned over the bracket, and the press brake is activated. The force applied by the press brake causes the metal bracket to bend into the desired shape. After the metal bracket has been bent, it is inspected for quality control. This may involve measuring the dimension of the bracket to ensure they meet the specification of the design. Any necessary adjustments are made to the program for the press brake, and the process is repeated till the desired results are achieved. Then the metal box. The process involves several steps, including material selection, cutting, bending, and finishing. Surface treatment. The first step involves selecting the uh, ap- appropriate type of metal, such as aluminum, steel, or stainless steel, based on the intended use of the metal box. The sheet metal is then cut into the desired size and shape using specialized cutting tools. The next step is the bending process, which involves using a press brake machine to bend the metal shape into the desired shape. The press brake machine uses a hydraulic system to apply pressure to the metal sheet, which causes it to bend and form the desired shape. The operator must carefully control the amount of pressure applied to ensure that the metal the metal sheet is not overbent or underbent. After the metal has been bent into the desired shape, it is then finished using a variety of techniques, including sanding, polishing, and painting. The desire these finishing techniques are used to improve the appearance and durability of the metal box, as well as to protect it from corrosion or other forms of damage. And about other metal products. The production process involves several steps, including material selection, tooling design, and bending operations. The following is a brief over, overview of each um, these steps about material selection. The first step is to select the appropriate material for the job. The most common material used for sheet metal bending process are aluminum, stainless steel, mild steel. The material selected will depend on the specific requirements of the part being manufactured, including strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. Then, tooling design. Once the material has been selected, the next step is to design the tooling that will be used to bend the sheet metal. This involves creating a set of dies and punches that are pre- pre- precis- precisely shaped to produce the desired bend angles and the ratio. Tooling design is a critical step in the process as it can significantly impact the quality and accuracy of the final products. Bending operations, um, bending operations The final step is the final step in the sheet metal bending process. It is also is the actual bending operation. This involves placing the sheet metal between the dies and punches and applying pressure to bend the metal to the desired shape. The bending process can be performed manually or using a hydraulic press or other automate, automated equipment. If you are interested in the relevant requirements, please click the link in our shop to contact us for further information. Then about here are several advantages of bending. Sheet metal bending is a critical manufacturing process used to produce a wide range of parts and components for various industries. By following the proper material selection, tooling design, and bending operations, manufacturers can produce high quality products that meet the specific requirements of their customers. Bending offers several advantages over sheet metal fabrication pros- uh, forming process, such as stamping and deep drawing. It allows for the creation of complex shapes and structures without the need for multiple operations. It also results in minimum material waste and can be used to create parts with high precision and accuracy. Bending is also a cost-effective process as it requires fewer tools and equipment compared to other forming process. After the products, then we will introduce the customized metal bending parts um, tr- foreign trade order process. There, there will be a detailed description of the foreign trade order process uh, to ensure the smooth operation of our business. The step one is uh, inquiry and quotation. In the foreign trade order process, you need to place an inquiry first. The inquiry usually includes the specifications, quantities, delivery time of the customized metal bending parts. After receiving the inquiry, our sales team will respond promptly and provide a detailed quotation sheet based on the customer's requirements. The quotation should include the unit price, the total price, and delivery time, payment terms, and other relevant information. Our sales team should also provide technical support and answer any questions you may have. The step two is order confirmation and contract signing. If you are satisfied with our quotation, you will confirm the order and then sign a contract with us. The contract should clearly state the specifications, quantities, delivery time, payment terms, and other relevant information. We will carefully review the contract and ensure that all the terms and um, conditions are reasonable and feasible. The contract should be signed by both parties and kept for future reference. The step three is production planning and material preparation. After receiving the order, we should start the production planning process. The production plan should include the production schedule, material requirements, and quality control measures. We will also prepare the necessary materials, such as metal sheets, cutting tools, and bending machines. The materials should be inspected and tested to ensure that they meet the quality standards. The step four is production and quality control. The production process involves several stages, including cutting, bending, welding, polishing, and surface treatment. Each stage should be carefully monitored and controlled to ensure that the customized metal bending parts meet the customer's requirements. We will also conduct quality control inspections at each stage to detect any defects or deviations from the specifications. The quality control measures should be documented and reported to our customer if necessary. The step 5 is packaging and shipping. After production is completed, the customized metal bending parts should be carefully packaged to ensure that they are not damaged during transportation. The packaging should be suitable for the type and quantity of the parts and should meet the customer's requirements. The manufacturer should also arrange for the transportation and shipping of the parts to the customer's designed location. The shipping method, delivery time, and other relevant information should be communicated to our clients in advance. Step 6. After sales service. After the customized metal bending parts are delivered to our customer, we will provide after sales service to ensure that our customer is satisfied with the products. The after sales service may include technical support, repair and maintenance, and warranty service. The manufacturer should also solicit feedback from the customer and use it to improve the quality of the products and services. The order process for customized metal bending products is a complex and challenging task. It requires careful planning, efficient production, and effective communication with the customer. By following the 6 steps outlined above, um, we will establish a reliable and efficient foreign trade order process that meets the needs of our customers and ensures the success of their business. Then, thanks for joining us today for our live stream. We hope you are ready for a fun and inform, um, informative session. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share them in the chat and we will do our best to respond. Then we will Then I'm going to show you some samples that are made by the bending process. The first one, the metal blanket. The process involves the use of a die and a punch set, which are used to apply force to the metal bracket to bend it into the desired shape. The first step in the metal bracket bending process is to create a design for the bracket. This design will typically include the dimension of the bracket and the angle at which it will be bent, and any other specifications that are necessary. Once the design is completed, it is transformed to a CAD program, which is used to create a 3D model of the bracket. The 3D model is then used to create a program that for the press brake. This program includes information about the size and shapes of the die and punch set, as well as the force that will be applied to the metal bracket during the bending process. Once the program is complete, the metal bracket is loaded into the press brake. The die and punch set are precisioned over the metal bracket, and the bracket brake is activated. The force applied by the press brake causes the metal brake to bend into the desired shape. After the metal brake has been bent, it is inspected for its quality control. Uh, this may involve uh, this may involve measuring bracket to ensure that it meets the spec. Uh, uh, then about the metal box, sheet, sheet cutting, bending, and finishing. The first step involves selecting the appropriate types of metal, such as aluminum, steel, or stainless steel, based on the intended use of the metal box. Uh, the metal the metal sheet is then cut into the desired size and shape using specialized cutting tools. The next step is to bend. Bending is the bending process, which involves using a press brake machine to bend the metal sheet into the desired shape. The press brake machine uses a hydraulic system to apply pressure to the pressure applied to ensure that the metal sheet is not overbent or underbent. After metal sheet has been bent into the desired shape, it is then finished using a variety of techniques, including sanding, polishing, and painting. These finishing techniques are used to improve the appearance and durability of the metal box, as well as to protect it from corrosion and other forms of the damage. And about the metal products, the metal the process involves several steps. The first step is material selection. To select the appropriate material for the job. The most common material used for sheet metal bending process is steel and stainless steel, aluminum. The material selected will we are depending on the specific requirement of the part being manufactured, including um, strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. Then, tooling design. Once the material shipped to produce the desired bend angles um, and ratio, the tooling design is a critical step in the process as it can significantly impact the quality and accuracy of the final products. Then, bending operations. The final step in the sheet metal bending process is the actual bending operation. This involves placing the sheet metal between the dies and punches and applying pressure to bend the metal into the desired shapes. The bending process can be performed manually or using a hydraulic press or other autom- automated equipment. Uh, bending offers several advantages over other sheet metal forming process such as stamping and dip drawing. It allows for the creation of complex shapes and structures without the need for multiple operations. It also results in minimum material waste and can be used to create parts with high precision and accuracy. Bending is also a cost-effective process as it requires fewer tools and equipment compared to other forming process. Okay, besides the products, we can also customize the metal products as your requirement. Our company offers custom sheet metal fabrication service. This includes laser cutting, bending, welding, and more. Our state our state-of-the-art equipment and skilled technicians ensures that every product we produce meets the highest standards of quality and precision. One of the key benefits of operating with us is our ability to provide custom solutions. We understand that every customer has unique needs, and we work closely with you to design and manufacture products and meet those needs. Our team of experienced engineers can provide expert uh, ad- advice and guidance throughout the entire process from design to delivery. Another benefit of cooperating with us is our commitment to customer satisfaction. We take pride in delivering products that exceed our customers' expectations. We offer fast turnaround times, competitive pricing, and exceptional customer service. Our goal is to build long-term relationships with our customers and become a trusted partner in their success. So, if you are in need of high-quality sheet metal products, welcome to cooperate with our company. We offer a wide range of products and services customized to meet your unique needs. Our commitment Our commitment to quality, precision, and customer satisfaction sets us apart from the competition. Thank you for joining me today, and do not hesitate to contact us for more information. In the end, thank you for joining us for our live showcase on sheet metal fabrication. We hope you could find it informative and insightful. As we come to the end of our live showcase, we would like to summarize. Um, if you have any questions or you are interested in relevant requirement, please click the links to contact us for further information. Bye.
我从后台发，他这个有时候这个都是网上看。
结束了。